In this Bluehost WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build a complete WordPress website from start to finish. We'll cover everything from setting up your Bluehost hosting, installing WordPress, and using professional pre-made website templates to make the process quick and easy. I'll also walk you through building your site with Elementor, one of the most popular drag-and-drop builders, so you can design a professional-looking WordPress website without needing any coding skills. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully working, customized website ready to launch, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do to get started in building your WordPress website with Bluehost is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Bluehost, where you'll get an exclusive discount where you'll be getting up to 70% off plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to Bluehost. Click Get Started Now. You'll see several hosting plans you can choose from. The starter plan is great for beginners. This plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The business plan is good for growing sites. This plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, ideal for 200,000 website visits per month, phone support, malware detection and removal, domain privacy free for the first year, and daily website backups free for the first year. The e-commerce essentials plan is good for online stores. This plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month. Built-in secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, support for subscriptions, memberships, and paid courses. Launch an affiliate program, create custom email templates, and offer easy social logins for your customers. Pick the plan that works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the starter plan. Next, you'll choose your domain name, which is your website's address, like yourname.com. Bluehost includes a free domain for the first year, so type in your desired name. You can choose a domain extension you'd like, and click the Search for Domain to check availability. If you already have a domain name, enter it in the section that says, I want to use a domain I already own. Not ready to choose a domain yet? Just click the Choose Domain Later link, and you'll still get your free domain name and can pick it from your Bluehost dashboard. You'll see an option for domain privacy plus protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected. It keeps your personal information private, so spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your email or phone. By default, when you register a domain, your information is added to the public whois database, which is required by domain regulations. With domain privacy plus protection, Bluehost contact information is displayed instead of yours, keeping you safe and private. Now you'll be on the cart page. Here you can see your hosting plan, and from the drop-down, you can select the term for your purchase. Choosing the 3-year term gives you the lowest pricing. You'll see Data Center. If you click the pencil icon, from the drop-down, you can select the data center you'd like to use. Next, you'll see the add-ons. All these are optional, so if you don't want any, just click the trash can icon to remove them. The professional email add-on gives you an email address with your domain name, plus a custom inbox, adds security, sync contacts and calendars, file sharing via Drive, task management, and access to a full suite of productivity tools. That said, Bluehost already includes free email addresses with your domain, so this add-on is only necessary if you want all the extra features of professional email. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. Then enter your contact and account information, choose your payment method, and fill in your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will email you a receipt, and you'll be taken to a thank you page where your hosting account finishes setting up. Once your account is set up, Bluehost makes it super easy. WordPress will be installed automatically for you. This means you can start customizing your website right away. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click it to go straight to WordPress. You'll then arrive at the Welcome to WordPress page. You'll see that you can either create your site using the AI Site Creator or import an existing WordPress website. For this tutorial, I'll be creating our website with WordPress without using these options. Here's what you need to do instead. To access WordPress, start in your Bluehost dashboard. From the Home section, click Websites in the left-hand menu. You'll see your site listed. Just click Edit Site to open the WordPress dashboard. Before we start picking a theme and launching our site, let's go over the Bluehost control panel. From the Home section, click Websites in the left-hand menu. Clicking Edit Site takes you to the WordPress dashboard. we can start creating and editing your website. If you click Settings, you'll be taken to the Bluehost overview page for the site. If you click Advanced, you'll see your name servers listed here in case you need them. If you click Performance, you'll see that you can choose to disable the caching for your site if you'd like. Underneath this, you'll see from the dropdown, you can change the caching level if you need to. You can clear all the cache for your site. You can clear the cache for a specific URL. If you click Overview, you'll see Staging. Click this if you want to create a staging site. It'll take you to WordPress. And you can choose to edit via your production site or click Create Staging Site to create a staging site. Before we choose a theme, it's important to secure our domain with HTTPS using a free SSL certificate. To do this, click the WordPress admin button to go to WordPress, then hover over Settings in the left-hand menu and select General. Here, update both the WordPress address URL and site address URL to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress will log you out automatically because of the URL change. Just log back in and your site will now be secure. Now I want to go over how to pick out a theme to begin creating your site. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes. This is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There are thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You will now see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic starter templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. On this page, if you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click on the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it would look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category and what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change and edit the templates to what you like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like and then you can start making it your own no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. You'll see the template here called Outdoor Adventure. I'll select this template for this tutorial. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. I cover this later in the video. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab on the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the text. If you click the pencil icon next to typography, you can change the font for the text. You can change the size of the text. If you want to change the background image here at the top or anywhere on the page, right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see background type. You can choose for the background to be classic, gradient, video, or a slideshow. I'll keep it on classic. You'll see the image showing here. The trash can icon will delete the image. If you click into the image, you can then upload an image or click Media Library to choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select an image I've already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select the Select button. The image has now been uploaded. If you want to change the background colors and opacity of the image, find Background Overlay and click it. Click Color. You can then change the color to what you'd like. Next, where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you'd like. To edit the button, click into the button. You can change the name of it. You can link it out to where you want it. If you click the settings icon here, you can have the link open in a new window and make it no follow if you'd like. You can select to not have an icon with the button. Where it says Upload SVG, you can upload an icon. If you click the icon library, you can view icons you can add to the button. If you click Style, you can change things for the button. If you click Hover, you can make changes on the button hover. I'll scroll down to this section. If you click on something, you can move things around to get it how you want it. By clicking the plus icon at the top left of the editor, you can get to where you can drag stuff over from the left. If you want to remove something, right-click into the area. Click Delete to delete it. If you want to duplicate something, right-click into an area. Click Duplicate and it'll duplicate that area. If you want to change an image in this section, click into the image. You'll see the image showing here. You can click the trash can icon to remove it. Click into the image. You can then upload your own image or click Media Library to choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll choose an image I've already uploaded to WordPress and I'll click the Select button. The image has now been uploaded. Next, I'll scroll up to this section. To change the background image of this section, right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see the image showing here. You can click the trash can icon to delete it. If you click into the image, you can upload your own image or click Media Library to choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll choose an image I've already uploaded to WordPress and click the Select button. You'll see the background image is now showing. Next, find Background Overlay and click it. You'll see Color. Click it and you can change the background color to what you'd like. You'll see Opacity. You can drag this over to get the background image to look how you want. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates you can add to your site. Up at the top, you can select categories for blocks to show. I'll click one. Click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. We can begin editing it how you'd like. To change the background color of a section, just right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Section. Click Style. Make sure Classic is selected next to Background Type. You'll see Color. Click this and you can change the background color of the section. If you want to add a new section to the page, hover over an area on the page where you want to add the new section. Click the plus icon. Click the plus icon showing again. Next, select Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for the section. Click the plus icon here at the top. You can then drag stuff into the section. To remove a section, hover over it and click the X button to remove it. If you want to move a section to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move it to somewhere else on the page. If you click Publish on the top of the page, it'll publish your changes. If you click the arrow next to Publish, you can save the page as a draft or save the page as a template to then use for another page on your site. If you click the preview icon, it'll bring up a preview of your page. If you click the desktop icon, it'll show you what your changes look like on desktop devices. The tablet icon will show tablet devices, and the mobile icon will show mobile devices. If you hover over the site settings icon and click it, you can change things like the colors of your entire site, fonts used, and more. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click History, and then click Revisions, it'll list out all the revisions for your site that it has pre-saved. If you click one, it'll bring your site edits back to how they were at the time of that edit. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. If you hover over the Pages tab, click Add New to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add New at the top, you can then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Post and click Add New, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comment. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New, you can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there is a plugin for that. If you hover over the Appearance tab and the left side menu, click on Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You could add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to have submenu items show in the menu, just add the items to the menu and place it a bit to the right under the menu name you want it to show under. I'll add a few under Services. I'll click Save. I'll now pull up the view of my site, and you'll now see these submenu items showing in the menu under Services. Now I'm going to go over the Contact Us form to show you how this works. From the view of your site, click Contact in the menu. You'll see the contact form showing here. To edit the contact form on your site, hover over your site title name up at the top. Click Dashboard. Next, click on WP Forms. You'll see the Contact Us form here. Hover over it and click Edit. It's now going to bring up the builder for the Contact Us form. You can hover over an area to delete it or duplicate it. You can click an area and drag it to wherever you'd like it. If you want to add something, you can drag it over from the side. If you click Build Options, you can click on the part of the form and then make changes from the side. You can select to make this part of the form a required or not required part to fill out. If you click Advanced, you can click on the part of the form you want to change, and you can select between the sides of the form field for that area, and then change if you want anything to show in the form field where they input their information. If you click Settings, you'll be in the General section where you can edit things for the form. Spam Protection allows you to toggle on spam protection options. Notifications is where you can put in the email the form info should be sent to, and the From email address showing to the person who filled out the form. And the Confirmations is where you can put in a confirmation message that shows to the person who filled out the form. Click Save to save changes. When you are done, click the X button. Now I'm going to go over maps for your site in case you want to have a map for your website. From the Contact page, click the Edit with Elementor tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Find Google Maps over on the side and drag it into the page. Hover over the map and click the pencil icon. Where it says Location, you can put in the address of your business. You can toggle zoom to get the map to look how you want. The height will change the height of the map. Next, click the arrow icon next to Publish. Click Save Draft. Next, click the refresh button in your browser. It'll reload the page. Scroll down to the map, hover over it, and click the pencil icon. You now see the notification showing about the Google Maps API key up at the top. Click the Create Your Here link. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Click Create Projects. Put in the project name. You could just put in your site or business name. Put in the address and click Create. It'll then give you your API key. You can copy and paste into the API key field. Next, you want to click the Integration Settings link. Paste the API key here and click Save Changes. Your map will now show live for your site visitors. Now let me show you how to make edits to the footer, header, and logo of your site. From the WordPress dashboard, if you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click Customize. It'll take you to the Customize page. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section over on the left side. If you click the plus icon, you can add things to that section of the footer. If you click Design, you can then make additional changes for that section in the footer. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. If you click the pencil icon here on the left hand side, you can then choose how many columns you want your footer to be. You can then click the plus icon to add sections to that part of the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. Click Design and you can make color changes in other edits to the button. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. If you click the Design tab, you can make color changes to the logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you could then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. The last thing I want to cover is how to launch your site and make it live to the world. From the WordPress dashboard, you'll see Not Live in red and Launch Site. Click Launch Site when you're ready for your site to go live online and not showing a Coming Soon page. You'll see it's now live. If you want to enable the Coming Soon page again, just click the Enable Coming Soon button to turn the Coming Soon page back on. And that's how to build a WordPress website with Bluehost step by step. In this WordPress tutorial, you've learned how to use professional pre-made templates and the Elementor drag and drop page builder to design a professional WordPress site without coding. If this Bluehost WordPress tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what kind of website you're building. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and Bluehost tutorials just like this one, so you can keep learning and growing your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.